lost your glow, it may be time to call up a professional. Moira Dunn from Proliance Bellevue ENT Lake Washington Plastic Surgery joins me now with advice. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So first of all, please tell us what you do at the clinic.
So at the clinic, I do a lot of laser work. I do laser work for pigment, the sunspots. I do heavier duty lasers that'll help improve your texture, your tone, your pigment, and really rejuvenate. I love microneedling.
Really? I've always wanted to do that.
That is like the best facial rejuvenation, and there's so many ways to customize it. You can use PRP, which is using your own DNA. You can use hyaluronic acid. You can use boosters after. You can gua sha after. It's a wonderful treatment for rejuvenation.
I would love to hear too your philosophy as an esthetician.
My philosophy is really skin health. If your skin is healthy, it's going to glow. And nobody has the same glow. Everybody is independent with their skin. So there's not one size fits all. It's really important to meet with somebody who's going to look at your skin, know what your lifestyle is, know what you're willing to take the time to do, and then I make a plan for you so that you get your ideal and best glow.
It's very personalized,
it's
which
very
is nice.
Personalized.
I've never heard someone say that. Everyone has their own glow. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
What do patients ask for the most?
Most patients really want to look natural. They want to look their best. They want a lot of people have sun damage, so that's something you can get rid of with a laser, with peels, with home care. Mostly, it's so confusing out there that they just kind of want to know where to start. And I love to educate people on skincare. I love letting them know the ins, the outs, you need this, you don't probably need that. This is what's going to work for you. I work with what they have, and I want them to really work with what they have and not try to chase a filter look or the newest trend. Your skin doesn't know trend. Your skin is either healthy or it needs a little help getting healthy. And nobody's unhealthy with their skin program when they're working with a professional.
Absolutely. And so what products do you recommend for sun safety and sun protection? Because this is always top of mind for me.
I carry several lines. One of my favorite sunscreens is by Skin Better. I like it because they have a non-chemical sunscreen with a high SPF, and it's 80 minutes waterproof. So you can go out and go for a swim, you can go walk your dog, you can go for a walk on the beach, you can be out on the boat, but you do have to reapply. It is not like you put it on in the morning and you're good to go all day. It's a 2-hour coverage. It's a 2-hour protection. So I like the Skin Better because I like the ingredients, I like the integrity of it, and it just works for everybody.
Well, I'm going to listen to you. And you say home care products is really where the real skin changes happen, because this is what you're doing day in and day out,
Yes,
right?
Yes. So it's really important to wash morning and night. So important to have your ideal and best cleanser. It's really important to exfoliate twice a week. It's nice to have a toner because then you get your skin back to its natural pH. So your next step at night, you're going to use a retinol or a Retin-A, but in the morning, you're going to use a vitamin C, you're going to use a moisturizer, and then your sun protection. So if you exfoliate at least twice a week, I know that your products are going to be doing their job. They're going to get to where they need to go.
Definitely. What makes where you work different than other places?
Lake Washington Facial Plastics is more like a boutique. It's a small, very personal clinic that we have. We're very personal. It's a personal service, it's a personal treatment, and we want you to have a great experience. I do a lot of pre and post-op for our doctor who does Mohs treatments after skin cancer. He does that reconstruction, and he does facelifts and rhinos. I take care of people before so they get their best outcome and after. So I would say having a person that's one-on-one and there for you. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not overbooked. I'm just there for you to get your ideal and best treatments, your ideal and best care, and a nice experience.
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much for being here. You were great.
Thank you.
And for more information, just call the number that you see right there on your screen. That's 425-278-1810. And their winery is in the Woodinville wine scene. And next, we're joined by Chateau Ste. Michelle to tell us the perfect wine pairings for all of your holiday needs, so stick with us.
New Day Northwest is sponsored by Proliant Surgeons Bellevue Ear, Nose, and Throat, Lake Washington Facial Plastic Surgery.